I night before Christmas. I night before Christmas when all through the house, not a creature a move, not even one mouse. The stocking them hang pon the chimney with care. Them a hope say St. Nicholas soon come dear. The children them cock up, snug in a them bed, with vision of sugar plum dance up in a them head. And mama in her kerchief, I mean a me cap, just a settle down for take one long winter nap. Pon the lawn there arose such a clatter. Me jump up out of me bed to see what's the matter. Me run to the window with one quick flash. Me push up the shutter and open up the sash. The moon pon the breast of the crisp falling snow give the love star of midday to the object them below. And what to my wondering eyes would appear? No a miniature sleigh and here tiny reindeer. With one little old driver in lively and quick. Me knew in that moment there, it must be Saint Nick. More faster than eagle in course as them came. And in whistle and in shout and call them by them name. No Dasher, no Dancer, no Prancer and Vixen. Go on Comet, go on Cubit, go on Danda and Blisten. Pan top of the porch, pan top of the wall. Now dash away all. Like a dry leaves that before one hurricane fly, when they meet with one obstacle, mount to the sky. Up to the house top, the course of them flew, with a sleigh full of ties, and St. Nicholas too. And then, in a one twinkling, me hear upon the roof, the prancing and the pawing of each little hoof. As me that draw me head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas come with one bound. In dress up in all four, from him head to him foot, and in clothes them all tarnish with ash and soot. One bungle of ties him have fling behind him back, and him look like one peddler just opening up him pack. Him eyes them how them twinkle, in dimple them how them merry, in cheeks them like roses, in nose like one cherry, in Jew little mouth was drawn up like one bow, and the beard of him chin, it white like a snow. One little bump him have for one pipe, him hold it in him teeth, and the smoke, it round him like one wreath. Him have one broad face and one little round belly that shook when he laugh like a bowl full of jelly. Him fat and plump, a right old jolly elf. He laugh so when he see, in spite of himself. Him winky eye and twist him head. He make me know me have nothing for dread. He speak not a word, but he go straight to work, and he full up all his stocking them, and turn with one big jerk. He put him finger upon his nose, and then he give me one nod. Up the chimney he rose. He jump on him sleigh, and him team him give one whistle, and away him fly off, like the down pan a thistle. Me hear him exclaim, as him drive out of sight, Merry Christmas to one and all a good night.